Record this. It in Alipathy waterfall in Cochin. So if you come to this kind of shop, they have a very good practice. So if you're going to buy this bottle is for 25, and once you empty it, you give it the empty bottle, you give it at gate, and you get 10 rupees back. Beautiful practice. This practice should be adopted by all the tourist places across India. It actually helps, to get this bottle back at right place. Also, it encourages cleanliness around, which actually keeps the tourist places beautiful. Good practice.